Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today with the TEMU haul. Now, I haven't really been doing many hauls lately because I've been busy doing other things like some design team projects for Decorate Your Life, and now I've got some upcoming for Happy Crafter Shop, and I've had some for Beebeecraft as well as PandaHall. And yeah, so I haven't really had any of my own hauls to show. But I do have one today, and I do know I posted yesterday my haul from my sister Lisa's craft room, which was really a fun haul. So I'm going to push some of these things aside, and we're going to take a look at what I got this time. So hang on a second. Push some things out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to start out with this. So I know that it's not going to be too much longer, and we're all going to start participating in summer crafting and maybe some fruit themed swaps. So I thought I'd think ahead, and I did have this strawberry paper in my TEMU cart for a while, so I decided it was finally time to pick it up. So what I did was I got this cute little strawberry die. So I'm loving that. That's going to be really cute. And I picked up a box of strawberry themed stickers, and I actually thought these were going to be a little bit bigger, but they're not, but they're still super cute. We've got whole strawberries, we've got little strawberries, we got strawberries on the plant still, we've got slices of strawberries, strawberries in baskets. I mean, there's just all kinds in here. Yeah, super fun. So those are strawberry stickers. And then I picked up this 6x6 paper pad. It's called Dessert Moments. And this is, like I said, 6x6. There are 12 different designs and 2 sheets of each design. 160 GSM heavyweight cardstock, acid and lignin free. And when they say heavyweight, it's not super heavyweight, but it's a pretty good weight of paper. These are what? Oh, are these two-sided? No, these are one-sided. So let's take a quick peek at these. Now, of course, the cover is a nice heavy cardstock, but the paper's a little bit thinner than that. So we got these cute strawberries and these. I like this one, really pretty. Strawberries with blossoms. Strawberries on doilies. We got this cute stripe here. This one's really fun. We've got a nice plaid. Pink and white plaid's always cute. We've got strawberries and cherries together. Pretty pink background. We've got a green and white check. Pink and red strawberries. And the last 2 pages are these pink with light pink polka dots. So that is the Dessert Moment paper collection at TEMU. And then I picked up a set of these metal sequin spoons. They're shaped like hearts and they're gold. You get 4 in a package. Now I do have little spoons that I use for my sequins, which are these little ice cream tester spoons. I got a whole bunch of these. But I thought I would like to have one of these. I think this is really cute, and it will scoop up a whole lot more than what I can get with those little spoons there. And then I picked up a package of these. They're called Cupcake Holders, but to be honest with you, I don't think a cupcake could fit in here. But I thought these would be really cute to put little packets of stickers, or maybe you could put beads or charms in them, maybe a sweet treat of some kind. And it's just a little plastic, let me pull this one off, a little dish and then a plastic dome that goes on the top. You do get quite a bit in a pack. This was the package. So I don't know, maybe there's 50 in here, a lot. I did notice that some of them came squished, but I think once they're on the bases, they're absolutely fine. You can't tell anything's wrong with them. Okay, then I picked up a number of beads, and these are tiny little 4mm bicones. So I'll give you a close-up of them. I think these are great for our dangles, and I've been doing some bracelets since I'm doing things for Beebeecraft. And so I just picked up a variety of colors. We got the green, this pretty light blue, got this gorgeous red. Let's see. Oh yes, we have this. Oh, now this is not a bicone. These are circular actually, and they almost look like round diamonds. Really, really pretty. So those are gorgeous. And then I picked up this pack here, and I don't remember how many's in here, but you get lots and lots of different colors. So those will come in handy. Love that, and I love that it's in a container like this. Then I picked up some of these Swarovski, I hope I said that right, crystals. And I've bought these before. They are absolutely gorgeous on your dangles. Really, really pretty. And all that came in one pack. So those are nice. Okay, then I picked up one little package of these cute little carrot cabochons. So those are adorable, perfect for Easter coming. Okay, Crafty Peeps, I don't know what happened, but my video cut off in the middle. So I'm just going to pick this up right where it ended off and splice the two videos together. So I had finished up in the previous portion of this haul some beads that I picked up, and the end of that was just going to be these cute little bee charms that I picked up. So these are cute, and you all know I love bees, and I have a lot of bee charms in my stash, but I don't think I have this particular one. So I did get a pack of these. And speaking of bees, I wanted to let everyone know that Alice from My Frugal Wonderland is hosting a bee-themed group swap on her channel. So if you go to my community tab, you can find the video link to go to her channel and check out all of the details. All I can tell you right now is swaps are due on April 27th. So yeah, check that out. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you, in case I'm able to squeeze in the time to participate in that swap, I did pick up some bee-themed goodies. So number one of these. Number two, I got this cute little bee change purse, and it's got a little loop on there so you can hook it on your key ring. It's got a little zipper top, and it just has a nice little black lining. Very cute. And speaking of change purses, I picked up these two totally adorable little change purses. Check these out. Look how sparkly they are, and they have bees on them. So, so cute. They have silver hardware, and this is what the inside looks like. So cute. I can't believe they had these on TEMU. They're just so cute. So I got those. And then I picked up a bag of these treat bags, bee themed. I'm going to push this aside here so you can see how cute those are. And these are those nice long ones. You get 25 in a package, and they also come with these silver ties. And then the very last thing I got in this haul, also for the swap, if I can manage to participate, are these so, so cute bee-themed socks. I mean, look at this. I can't believe I found these there. They're so adorable. And they're nice and thick and stretchy. They're really, really cute, nice socks. So anyway, that is my TEMU haul. And I hope you liked all of these goodies, and maybe you found something that you are interested in. And yeah, if you're interested in participating in Alice's group swap on My Frugal Wonderland, don't forget to check my community tab for the posts that I have there that will take you to her channel where all the details can be found. And yeah, so have a great rest of your weekend, and I will catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.